Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Justyne. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies from scratch. I don't know about you, but I am not a baker. I don't even know how to cook. I'm newly engaged, and this is my first time attempting these cookies. We found the recipe online, and they had so many great reviews that we thought we would try it out. Hopefully you get a few nuggets from this video. So grab your stuff and let's get baking. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of light brown sugar packed, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of salted butter softened, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And the best ingredient, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Okay, so something I learned today is that you want to mix the dry ingredients together first, and then once that's mixed, then you'll mix in the wet ingredients. So let's go ahead first and mix the dry ingredients. Okay, so right here is my flour. I'm going to add the baking soda to it, baking powder, there we go, and then the salt. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it gently because I don't want to ruin my outfit. Oops. Okay, so now that the dry ingredients are mixed, we are going to mix the wet ingredients. And just a reminder that you want to use room temperature butter and eggs. First, you're going to add the butter, brown sugar, and then our white sugar. So we want to make sure we lock our KitchenAid, and then we're going to set it for stir at 1. So now that it's mixed and creamy, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. Okay, now that it's all mixed, we're going to add the dry ingredients in slowly. These cookies are going to be delicious. Okay, so now we're going to stir it slowly, otherwise it's going to be all over our faces. Okay, here we go. We're going to add our chocolate chips. Yummy. Okay, so now that you have added the chocolate chips, you don't have to use the beater anymore. You can just use a spatula or a spoon, and you're gonna go ahead and mix the chocolate chips into the batter. Oh, it smells so good. And now our batter is ready to go on the cookie sheet. And we have these 2 tools, little ice cream scoopers. How cute are these? These are a really great tool to help you scoop the batter, and also you can pick what size cookie you want. So obviously this one is a little bit bigger, so you're gonna be able to make 6 cookies on a sheet. This one's a little bit smaller and you could make 8 cookies on a sheet. Or if you don't even have these, you don't need to use them, you can just use your hands and make the size of the cookie that you want. Don't forget to line your cookie sheet with parchment paper because it makes it just easier to remove whenever you're done. We are using a smaller ice cream scooper because we like smaller cookies. I like to eat multiple of them, and so that's why I like smaller cookies. Yay, we did it. Okay, now that we have our cookies ready, we are going to put them in the preheated oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, and I'll see you soon. We just got these out of the oven. You're going to need to let them cool for about 15 minutes before you get to taste them. Okay, let's try it. These are so good. That's delicious. Mm. Mm.
How is it?
Mm. Mm. Mm.